Dear student, today I will discuss the sixth chapter of civics, understanding our criminal justice system. There are four people who play a key role in our criminal justice system: the police, the public prosecutor, the defense lawyer, and the judge. The role of police begins with the lodging of an FIR in the police station. After the registration of the FIR, the police start investigation. On the basis of the investigation, they form an opinion. Police investigations always have to be conducted in accordance with law and with full respect for human right. Role of the police in investigating a crime. One important function of the police is to investigate any complaint about a crime. An investigation includes recording statements of witness and collecting different kinds of evidence. The police form an opinion on the basis of this investigation. If they think that the evidence points to the guilt of the accused person, then they file a charge sheet in the court. Thus, it is not the job of the police to decide whether a person is guilty or innocent. It is the judge who decides this point. The police are not allowed to torture or beat or shoot anyone during investigation. They cannot inflict any form of punishment on a person even for petty offences. Article 22 of the Constitution and criminal law guarantee to every arrested person the right to be informed at the time of arrest of the offence for which the person is being arrested, the right to be presented before a magistrate within 24 hours of arrest, the right not to be ill treated or tortured during arrest or in custody. Confessions made in a police custody cannot be used as evidence against the accused. A boy under 15 years of age and a woman cannot be called to the police station only for questioning. First information report FIR. The police begin their investigations into a crime after an FIR is lodged. The law states that it is compulsory for an officer in charge of a police station to register an FIR whenever a person gives information about a cognoscible offence. This information can be either oral or written. The FIR mentions the date, time, and place of the offence. Details the basic facts of the offense, including a description of the events. The FIR also mentions the name and address of the complainant. The police registers an FIR in a prescribed form which is signed by the complainants. He gives the complainant a free copy of the FIR in the last. Role of the public prosecutor under criminal justice system. A criminal offense is regarded as a public wrong. The public prosecutor plays a key role in the criminal justice system. In the court, he represents the interest of the state. His role begins once the police has conducted the investigation and filed the charge sheet in the court. He does not play any role in the investigation. Being an officer in the court, he is expected to discharge his duty impartially. It is also his duty to present the full and material facts, witnesses and evidence before the court so that the court may decide the case. Role of the judge in the criminal justice system. The judge has a key role in the criminal justice system because it is he who decides whether the accused is guilty or innocent. His role is just like an umpire in a cricket game. He conducts the trial impartially and in an open court. The judge hears all the witnesses and the evidences, if any, presented by the prosecutions and the defense. He then decides the case on the basis of the evidence presented and in accordance with the law. If the accused is guilty, then the judge pronounces the sentence. He may get jailed or be fined or both. It all depends on what the law prescribes.